I found tonight really informative. Yeah, I think there's a few new things that I learned today about getting my wheel back on, a few tricks that should help me do it better and quicker.
He spoke really plainly and used the language that we can understand and sort of spoke to us individually, which was really helpful.
I learned how to do something I didn't think I could ever do, and that's actually take the tyre off and then put it back on again. I've had Ruby for 2 years and never been able to do it.
Yeah, there's a lot more bits and pieces.
More technical than what you think it is.
If he saw any issues, he stopped and grabbed that moment and sort of held it up so we could see it. So we might not have been personally having the issue, but someone else was. He took that opportunity to show us because we might have the opportunity later on. So,
Even getting back to basics, like how to put the chain back on if it does come off. So I haven't done that before.
Like we clean it, we do all that, but I want to make sure I'm doing it right. I want to make sure we're caring for it right, because it's not a cheap bike. Well, thank you, great night. Very informative.
It was great.